Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a loop of procrastination and watching time slip away? Why is it that some men seem to thrive, achieving their goals and embodying discipline, while others struggle to take control of their lives? The truth is, success doesn't just happen, it's built on discipline, habits, and consistent action. But how do you get there? In this video, we'll break down science-backed strategies to master productivity and build unshakable self-discipline as a man in 2025. Let's get started. Discipline begins with purpose. Studies show that individuals with a clear sense of purpose are more likely to stick to their goals. Ask yourself, what do I truly want to achieve? Why is this important to me? Your brain is wired to seek comfort and avoid pain, which often leads to procrastination. According to neuroscientists, building discipline requires strengthening your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making. Activities like meditation, journaling, and practicing delayed gratification can enhance this ability over time. Morning routines set the tone for your day. Here's a science-based morning routine. Wake up consistently. Set a fixed wake-up time, even on weekends. This stabilizes your circadian rhythm and boosts energy levels. Hydrate immediately. Drink 500 milliliters of water as soon as you wake up. Dehydration affects cognitive function and productivity. Get sunlight exposure. Spend 10 to 15 minutes in natural sunlight. This helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle and boosts mood by increasing serotonin levels. Exercise or stretch. Engage in 20 to 30 minutes of physical activity to jumpstart your metabolism and release endorphins. Practice gratitude and visualization. Spend 5 minutes journaling about what you're grateful for and visualizing your goals. This primes your mind for positivity and focus. Plan your day. Use a simple time-blocking technique. Write down 3 key priorities for the day and allocate time slots for them. Learn how to work smarter, not harder, with these actionable strategies to boost focus, efficiency, and results. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This prevents small tasks from piling up and overwhelming you. Time blocking. Divide your day into dedicated time blocks for specific activities. Use tools like Google Calendar or Notion to plan and stay on track. Ensure you include breaks to avoid burnout. Deep work sessions. According to Cal Newport, deep work, focusing without distractions on cognitively demanding tasks, is key to productivity. Aim for 90-minute sessions with no interruptions. Limit decision fatigue. Simplify your choices by automating decisions. For example, have a set morning outfit or meal prep your food for the week. Embrace the 2-day rule. Never skip a habit for more than 1 day. Missed one workout, make sure you don't miss the next day. Building discipline as a man is about consistency, resilience, and embracing challenges. Here are practical steps to strengthen your self-discipline and lead with purpose. Start small. Habits are easier to build when they're small. For example, start with 5 minutes of journaling instead of committing to an hour-long session. Master delayed gratification. Train yourself to resist immediate rewards for greater long-term benefits. For example, save money instead of spending on impulse purchases. Accountability. Share your goals with a trusted friend or mentor. External accountability can be a powerful motivator. Embrace discomfort. Discipline grows when you consistently step out of your comfort zone. Cold showers, difficult conversations, or challenging workouts are opportunities to build resilience. Celebrate small wins. Dopamine is released when you recognize progress, which reinforces good habits. Reward yourself after completing milestones. Avoiding mistakes is as important as building habits. In this section, we'll highlight common pitfalls that derail progress and how you can steer clear of them. Overloading yourself. Focus on 1 to 2 habits at a time. Trying to change everything at once leads to burnout. Relying on motivation alone. Motivation is fleeting. Discipline built through habits and routines is what keeps you consistent. Ignoring rest and recovery. Productivity isn't about working 24/7. Prioritize sleep, downtime, and activities that recharge you. Productivity and discipline are built on consistency, not perfection. Start small, stay consistent, and focus on progress over time. And as always, subscribe for more actionable insights. Keep growing.